this is your option trader Pro Trader Ravi Kumar. Today is a expiry day trade. I made a profit of 21,000. Let me go to this is my Asta account. You can see Asta trade. Here is the MTM plus the 21,600. I made a profit. Let me go to the order book and show you how I took the trade and things like that. And you can see the order date is 12th 11 2020, and I entered my first trade on 9:37 and I finished my trade by 2 o'clock. I think 2:20 I finished it. Let me go to the chart and explain you how I took the trade, things like that. This is the Bank Nifty 5 minutes chart. Today the CPR was white. The market opened below the CPR. Whenever the market opens below the CPR, you can always go for. After closing below this lower part of the CPR, immediately you can enter trade and you can book your profit at the immediate support. So somewhere here I entered my trade around 9:30, I think. Yeah, 9:35 I entered my trade here. And I booked my profit somewhere here. I collected more than 100 points and I made a profit of 11,000 actually in Bank Nifty futures. After that, market went back and it was moving around. But at the same time, I took a option. I sold option, and that is 28,600. You can see this is the lower part of the CPR. Even if market comes, it will work as a resistance. So that's where I entered my that price was 108 rupees. The market was sideways till it was sideways and it broke down around 12:20. It came down touched the previous day low. That's where I exited my trade. I think from 108 to 50 rupees it came. I collected 58 rupees. Then I made a profit of 8,000 because I sold 150 quantity. And after that, immediately the market went back because this will work as a support. It went back and it came down and once again it went back. So this line was working as a resistance. 28,360 was working as a resistance. Actually, I shorted after these two red candles. Immediately I shorted 28,300 option. So and booked my profit at the same level at the previous day low. So you can see the market was taking support of previous day low. So that's the advantage of marking previous day low and highs. Whenever the market comes near to that, you can always know that the market is going to be in that range. You can see the market, I think, closed still. I think it's closed around 285. So this was a pretty good day for trading because the market was sideways. During these sideways, the best way is to sell the options selling. So that's where you can make a good money. So it's a beautiful day for option selling because the market was sideways and you can always take the advantage of the sideways market also. Even you can take moving average strategy also. Whenever the market comes down and touches this moving average, immediately you can sell and you can book your profit to the next support. Somewhere here you can always take a trade. You can see here also it came. Actually, the candles looks very small here. You can see it is 28,433 to 28,381. It's around close to 60-70 points are moving. So since the market was sideways, you can see here it came touched. So you can always take the advantage of the theta and you can book your profit. So I made 2 options and 1 future trade today and I made a profit of 21,000. It's a fantastic, beautiful day. As you are all aware, the market was continuously uptrend for almost 2 weeks. And I know that the market went up 29,000. Even the Nifty was around 12,700 or 800. That's where the market will halt for some times before it takes for the next step. So that's how I took that. I know that today the market is going to be sideways. Even the global market was sideways. You can see here the global market. You can see this is a US market also. This was also completely sideways. Can you see? The market was completely sideways from morning. So even this is a Singapore Nifty also. This was also moving in the same range. If you see Nifty also, it was moving in the same range. You can see from 12,700 to it was around 12,650. I think in between it came little down to 623, and you can see take the support, the red line it took as a support, and it went back. That's how you can mark the you can utilize this charts in TradingView software. You can draw that. You can put the pivot points, even previous day high and low, so that you can mark. You can always know that where the market is taking support and resistance. From there you can always take your position and book your profit. And this is advantage with this kind of chart trading and analysis. Thanks for watching my video and have a nice day. Please like and share it. Bye bye.